isn't it?
Yes, sir. We did the deflection, sir.
Not deflection, deviation.
Deviation, sir.
Yeah.
Got it.
Deviation is represented by what, beta?
Tau.
Tau.
Yes, sir.
What is the deviation I told you? Can you define me the definition, beta?
Sir, it
The
is
angle made,
angle made
the
after a
angle,
reflection,
the angle
180
made,
minus.
yeah, the angle made by incident ray of light.
Yes, sir.
The angle made by your incident ray of your light, incident ray of light with reflected or refracted,
Ray.
with reflected or refracted rays is called deviation.
Yes, sir.
Is called deviation. Okay. See this
Yes.
one example is. So this is one mirror here right now, and here there is one more mirror like this. Okay, these are two mirrors which are being inclined at a certain angle of your theta.
Yes, sir. This only was the question, sir.
Yeah, so this one was the two mirrors which were being inclined. So this is a mirror of your M1, and this is a mirror of your M2. An angle between them is theta beta. Okay, a ray of
Yes.
light is being incident on this one. A ray of light is being incident on this one, something like this. So when a ray of light is being incident on this one, you need to first draw the normal for this one beta. So this will be your normal. Okay, and from here,
Yes.
this ray of light will get reflected like this. Okay, and from here, if I draw one more normal to this one beta, if I draw one more normal to this one like this, the reflected ray from here will be going parallel to the first mirror like this. Okay, so this is the given concept. This angle is nothing but equal to, say, for example, of your alpha. This angle is also equal to your alpha. Okay, so if this is theta beta right now, and this one is, say, for example, of your 90 minus alpha. Ante kada?
Yes, sir. 90 minus.
This will become for me 90 minus of your alpha. If this is 90 minus alpha beta,
That
now
is
this
90
angle
minus theta,
also
sir.
will become for me 90 minus alpha. Alternate angles.
Yes, sir. That is also 90.
Yeah, this one will be equal to your 90 minus alpha. Now, can you tell me deviation? So for
Sir,
this ray of
one
light,
doubt, sir.
is better.
Now, that whole angle will be 90 minus alpha, right, sir? So,
Which one better?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు 90 minus alpha plus 90 minus alpha రెండు ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్
This total will be angle of incidence will be same gada, because if this is theta, so this is
Yes, sir.
parallel property, this should also
And
be
also
taken
theta.
to be theta,
Theta. Yes, sir.
isn't it? So if
Yes,
this is
sir.
your 90 minus alpha, because this is a straight line and this is a parallel, all the sides. కాబట్టి alternate angles తీసుకుంటాను.
అదే సార్, సో నేను ఏమంటున్నానంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇది 90 మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా తీసుకున్నాం కదా సార్, ఒక రెండు వీ టుక్ ఇట్ సపరేట్లీ యాస్ 90 మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా, రైట్ సార్?
Yes, better.
సో అంటే ఇట్లా జెడ్ షేప్ కదా సార్, అంటే ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ అంటే, సో అవి ఎస్ సార్. సో అంటే ఆ హోల్ యాంగిల్ 90 మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా ఉంటుంది కదా సార్?
టోటల్ యాంగిల్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు 90 minus alpha.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకేనా?
ఎస్
ఈ టోటల్ యాంగిల్ అంటున్నావా?
ఎస్ సార్, దట్ టోటల్
యాంగిల్ కాదు, ఎందుకంటే దిస్ విల్ బి నార్మల్ కదా.
ఎస్ సార్.
This will be your normal right now. This I'm giving it as of your 90. This is because right now, say for example of your alpha, this angle is nothing but of your 90 minus alpha. Or sir, don't get confused. What you do is you remove this one and assume that I'm giving you only this one as 90 minus alpha.
Okay, sir.
This angle right now. Like say this is given for me. Okay.
Yes.
Now tell me deviation beta. You need to extend this ray of light like this. Angle made by the incident ray of light with the reflected. This is known as of your deviation. That is nothing but of your tau 1. Even for this one, this ray of light we need to extend right now like this here. Angle made by the incident with the reflected. This is known as of your deviation. That is nothing but tau. Both tau 1 and tau 2 are in the same direction beta.
Yes, sir.
So I can write now deviation tau 1 will be equal to how much beta? Tau 1 will be equal to 180 minus of your 2 times of your alpha.
Yes, sir.
In the same way, tau 2 will be equal to your 180 minus of your, this one is 90 minus alpha plus of your 90 minus of your alpha. So this will become how much beta? This is 180 minus 90 minus means this will become for me plus, this will become for me minus, and this one will become for me plus. Agreed? I'm opening the bracket kabatti.
Yes, sir.
Minus 90 minus 90, how much it will be? Plus 180. 180
Yes,
plus
sir.
180 will become how much for me?
360, sir.
So this will be your 360, and another angle is how much right now? What is the other angle?
Here, sir, it's 2 alpha, sir.
Plus or minus, sir?
Plus, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
See it once again.
180 minus 90 minus 90 is minus 180. So, sorry, it's plus 180. Sir, inka remaining two plus alpha and plus alpha only, right, sir?
Kirnana?
It's plus 2 alpha only, right, sir?
Which one, madam?
The remaining angle. So 360 plus 2 alpha.
Okay, we get confusing this one. What I'll do is just a minute.
Yes, sir.
We take this angles here as this angle. I'll take it as, this is alpha I've taken. This is alpha, this is alpha, this is your tau 1. This angle you take it as some say theta minus alpha. This you take it as of your theta minus of your alpha. And this one also will become for me theta minus alpha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tau 1 and tau 2 are in the same direction. Kabatti tau 1 will become how much beta? 180 minus of, this is alpha and alpha, that is 2 times of your alpha. And tau 2 will become right now here how much beta? 180 minus, this is 90 minus alpha, 90, sorry, theta minus alpha, theta minus alpha. So this will become for me 2 times of theta minus alpha.
Yes.
So this will become for me 180 minus, this will become how much for me beta? 2 theta minus minus, it will become for me plus, that will be equal to your 2 alpha if I'm opening the bracket.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now add both of them right now. Tau net will be equal to, both of them are in the same direction kabatti. So this will be equal to tau 1 plus of your tau 2. Tau 1 is 180 minus of your 2 alpha plus this will be equal to 180 minus of 2 theta plus of your 2 alpha. Isn't it? So anything is getting cancelled in this one, you see?
Sir, 2 alpha and 2 alpha.
2 alpha and 2 alpha will get cancelled. 180 plus 180 will become how much for me beta?
360
minus of your 2 theta.
2.
This will be equal to tau net.
Okay, sir.
This will be equal to your tau net. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Sir, so separately we have to check for both of them.
Yeah,
then,
both of them need to check the deviations right now.
And
Okay?
then we have to add both of them.
Yeah, if they are in the same direction, add them. If they are in opposite direction,
subtract.
Sure. Next one, rotation of mirror. Rotation of your mirror. Okay, see here. This one is, say for example, mirror. Diagram will be a little bit confusing, so please try to understand in the first case itself. And this will be the normal width. Okay, na? So this is your mirror width. Initially, this is your mirror. And I told you that normal is always perpendicular to the surface, Gada?
Yes, sir. Forms 90
always
degrees.
Perpendicular to surface. This will be the normal, right? A ray of light will be incident on this one beta. See here right now like this. A ray of light is being incident on this one like this. With whatever angle it is incident, with the same angle it
Same
will be
refracted.
reflected.
Yes.
Okay. That angle I'm taking this one as of your angle of incidence of your eye, and this one is also your angle of your incidence of your eye. So
Okay.
this is your incident ray and this is your reflected ray, and this one is fixed better. This is your fixed incident ray and this one is your reflected ray. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what
Sir,
I'm doing,
what do we mean by fixed in incident
fixed
ray?
means this is always remaining constant. We are not
Okay,
changing the
okay.
direction of the incident ray of light.
Okay,
Here
sir.
some torchlight is been there and it is been held fixed, so that this light which has been coming is always remaining for me constant.
Yes, sir.
Now what I'm doing is right now, if you see here in this one, I'm changing the orientation of the mirror. That means I'm rotating the mirror like this. Rotation of mirror annam kada. So keeping the incident ray of
Yes.
light, I am rotating the mirror by an angle of your theta. So this one is also your theta. So when you rotate the mirror by your theta, obviously normal will also rotate kada.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
It will also rotate,
So
sir.
slightly it will also rotate. So this will be rotating by how much better? Same angle. That is nothing but equal to, this is new normal, that is n dash. And this angle will be equal to how much better? Theta. Because mirror in the rotate aithe, angle kuda ante rotate, normal kuda ante rotate avutundi. Avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
Now with respect to this yellow light, the incident light is making how much angle better? Think and tell. This angle will become how much?
Sir, it'll be incident plus theta.
Yeah. So this means this will become for me I plus theta.
Sir, if we are checking, sir, the n dash properly perpendicular లేదు కదా, sir.
Properly perpendicular రావాలా మనం డ్రాలు చేయలేకపోయాము
Okay,
అక్కడ.
okay, సరే, sir.
It
Okay,
should
sir.
be properly perpendicular. That is a basic condition.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, if it is like say if mirror is rotating by an angle theta, the normal also should rotate by an angle theta.
Normal and refractive both will rotate.
Now incident ray is fixed, but obviously reflected ray will change the direction.
Yes, sir. It will change, sir.
Reflected ray will change the direction right now. So what is that reflected ray change in direction? Like say reflected ray has come here right now. This is a new reflected ray. So this one is nothing but of your new reflected ray. New reflected ray. Isn't it? Now
Yes,
what will
sir.
be this angle with the new reflected ray? This, you know that angle of incidence must be equal to angle of reflection.
Yes, sir.
If this is I plus theta, this should
This
also
also
be
I
equal
plus
to how much
theta,
for
sir.
me?
I plus
I
theta.
plus of your theta. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Now, what we need to calculate better? Whenever this mirror is being fixed, I need to calculate that this ray of light, whichever you take right now here, this ray, reflected ray has been turned from here to here, Gada. So this is deviated here, right? This deviation is how much? This one is how much? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Got it, sir.
Chalo. Now see better, this I is way from where to where better? You see this one? This one is how much better? From here to here, this one is I, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now what will be this one better?
Normal minus the old.
This is total I gada. I
Yes,
nunchi
sir.
theta this say. So
Okay,
this
I
will be
minus
I
theta.
minus theta.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? I minus of your theta.
Yes,
Now
sir.
in order to get this question mark, I plus theta, from I plus theta, can I remove this I minus theta beta?
I plus theta, no? I minus theta. Yes, sir. I plus theta minus I
Because
minus.
this is total one. Huh? So
Yes, sir.
if I'm doing right now here, I plus theta minus, this one is your I minus of
Minus
your
three.
theta.
Yes,
So
sir.
this will be equal to your I. This is nothing but of your deviation.
I cancel. Yes,
So
sir.
this is your deviation anukundam. So tau is equals to I plus theta minus, this will become for me I plus theta. Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
getting cancelled in this one. This
I
I,
and
this
I,
I
sir.
will get cancelled. This
Yes, sir.
theta, this minus is also gone. Theta plus theta, that will become for me how much? Theta, 2 theta.
Yes, sir.
So this is your deviation.
Yes, sir.
Now what you understood here right now? When mirror is being rotated, when a mirror is rotated, when a mirror is rotated by an angle theta, keeping reflected ray, fixed, then keeping the incident ray fixed.
Incident ray fixed. Yes, sir.
Yeah, keeping the incident ray fixed. keeping the incident ray fixed, then reflected ray will turn by reflected ray will turn by how much beta? 2 theta. Direct questions you can do from this one. So whenever a mirror is being rotated when angle theta, the reflected ray will turn by an angle of 2 theta. Like say if mirror is rotated by 30 degrees, the reflected ray will turn by how much beta? 2 into 30, that will be 60 degrees.
60 degrees, yes.
In the same direction, as in the direction of mirror. In whichever direction the mirror is rotated, in the same direction the reflected ray will be turned. See, this reflected ray is being turning in the direction of mirror only now. Mirror is rotating like this, so this reflected ray is also turning like this.
Yes.
Is that clear? If it
Yes,
is rotating in this direction, then this will also rotate in this direction. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Very important relation. If the mirror is been rotated by an angle theta, keeping the incident ray fixed, the reflected ray will turn by an angle of your how much beta? 2 theta. Is that clear? Any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
in this one?
Got it, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir. Sir, once can you just show that statement, sir, down? Okay, sir.
Clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this one?
Got it, sir.
Next one. One more condition. When mirror is fixed, and incident ray is rotated, an incident ray is rotated with some angle, or with some angular velocity omega, okay,
Yes, sir.
then reflected ray will also rotate by same angle in opposite direction. In your opposite direction. I'll tell you like, see this one. Like say for example, this is your mirror and this one is your normal. Okay, na?
Yes,
and
sir.
a ray of light is being incident right now here, like this here. And from here it is reflected here, right? Okay, so this will be your mirror. This will be your plane mirror.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this one is your normal. And this one is your normal. Okay, and this one is rotated. This is making an angle theta, and this is also rotating with an angle theta. Now suppose, see what I'm doing is, this mirror is fixed right now. Previously mirror was rotating, now mirror is fixed. Now if it is rotating with an angular velocity omega, this will also move with the same angular velocity but in opposite direction. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Because this angle should be remaining same, kada. If it is making 30 degrees, it should also make 30 degrees. If it is making 15 degrees, it should also make 15 degrees. Got it?
Yes, sir.
If it is moving in this direction with an angular velocity, obviously this also rotate in the same direction with the same angular velocity.
Yes,
have you got it? Why? Because this angle to be kept constant, brother. If this is increased here and if it is making 60, this should also,
has to be 60.
become 60.
Angle I is equals to angle R.
Yeah, that is the reason. The angle of incidence must be equal to your angle of your reflection. Anna?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Sure. So I hope you got an idea related to this one, beta.
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. Got it, sir.
Sure. Next concept, beta. Field of your view. Field of your view. Field of your view means beta FOV. It means what? The region up to which we can see an object. Like
Yes,
say
sir.
for example, I'm having a camera here. Okay, and I'm taking a photo. So this camera is having a range up to which it can take the picture.
Yes, sir.
It can capture all the objects. This
Yes.
range, whatever we are calling this angle is called as of your field of view, or this distance is called as of your field of view. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? So
Yes,
field
sir.
of view means, in the definition, if I need to write, it is the region. It is the region. It is the region in which. It is the region in which the image of an object, can be seen. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This means this is the region in which, see,
We
if
can
I'm
see the
standing
object.
here, can you take
It
my
won't
picture,
come,
better?
sir. No, sir.
It
It
won't come,
won't.
brother. So any object within this region, you can take a picture. So
Yes,
that
sir.
region is called as of what? Field of your view. That
View.
region is called as of what? Field of
Field
your
of view.
view. Like say, for example, if I'm taking for a mirror, if I'm taking for a mirror particulation like this, say for example, if I'm taking a mirror, this is say for example a mirror. Okay, and
Yes.
say for example here it is silvered outside, and here it is silvered outside. And say for example an object is kept in front of your right. This is your object. Okay, so the distance of this object from here to here, it is say for example some d. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
a ray of light, see, what do you do is you draw the ray diagram such a way that it first touches this edge and also it touches this edge like this. Okay. Now from this one,
Yes.
we need to draw a normal, beta. Just take a normal perpendicular to this one and take a normal perpendicular to this one. With whatever angle it is been incident, with the same angle, it will be reflected back. So here it will
Yes,
go
sir.
like this. And here from here, it will go like this. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this is your reflected wave and this is your reflected wave. Isn't it? Now, if you extend this one in the backward direction, like this, because whatever is the distance of object, image should also form at the same distance. This should
Yes.
be the formation of image. So if you extend this one, so this will be somewhere here, and if you extend this one, this will be meeting somewhere here. So this is your image. This distance will also be equal to what, beta? D.
Both are equal.
Both of them are equal. That means I can see this object, I can see this image, I can see this image. This is your image, Gada. This is your image. I can see this image. If I'm standing here, can I see it?
No, sir.
If I'm standing here, can I see it?
No, sir. Because the
So
field,
this fellow
we are
can't see,
not,
this fellow can't see.
we are
If any
not in
person
field of.
starts moving from here like this, like say for example, a person, there is a road on Punamika. So there is, say for example, I'll try to draw a road there. Yeah, say for example, there is a road like this. Okay, this is some lane. Now from here I started,
Yes.
moving here, right? I started moving. So will I see it better right now? No. Will I see it from here right now? In this way. If I am somewhere in this region right now,
You can see, sir.
you can see it. If I am somewhere here,
You can see, sir.
I can see it. If I am somewhere here, I can see it. If I am somewhere here, I can see it. This region is known as what? Field of view, isn't it? So can I
Yes,
say
sir.
that from here to here, this region, from here to here, this region is known as of your FOV?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
So we will be using similar triangle concept to solve problems. I'll tell you how. Okay, small
Yes, sir.
method. Okay, so that is one example. Like one more example I'm giving you. Listen it carefully. See whether you got an idea or not. Say for example, now my mirror is only this much. Okay, and I'm standing somewhere here right now. I'm standing somewhere here right now. Okay, that means object is somewhere here. This is your object. Okay, and this one is your mirror. This is
Yes, sir.
your, now from this one, if I take a ray of light which is been incident, so one ray of light will incident on this one. You need to draw a right diagram such a way that the ray will touches the two extremes of this mirror better like this.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
now isn't it? Then this one is your incident and this one is your incident. This one is your incident arrow mark and this is your incident. Now from here this ray will be reflected back better like this.
Yes, sir.
And from here also this ray of light will reflect back like this. So
Yes,
this
sir.
one is the ray of light which is been reflected, isn't it? So if this is your object, this is your object part affiliation. If this is your object, whatever is the distance of this object, you extend this mirror light down like this, assume, and you extend this one up to here. Okay, mirror ikkada varaku unte, if the distance of this object is nothing but equal to your d from the mirror from here to here, image will also form at the same distance, na beta?
Yes, sir.
Because in a plane mirror, the image will be forming at the same position. That is nothing but equal to your eye.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now, if I extend this one in the backward direction, if I extend this one in the backward direction, so the image formation is taking place at this position. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this is the way how do you draw the diagram?
Okay,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Yes,
So if this is an object, that means what is the field of view? Now this is your field of view, FOV. So if I'm standing here, can I see the image?
no, sir.
No. If I'm standing somewhere here, can I see the image?
Yes, sir.
So I can see this image if I'm in this region.
Yes,
So this object, if I can see here, even though I'm standing here, I can see it, or I can standing anywhere here, I can see the image of this object.
yes,
That is
sir.
called as a pure field of view.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, once can you show the above diagram,
Yeah.
sir?
Yeah, fine.
Yes, sir.
Let me do one small question here right now. Find field of view, FOV, for the bus as shown in figure. As shown in figure. Okay, so see the diagram very carefully. This is a road like this. A very big road is going like that. And here somewhere a mirror is being kept. And somewhere here there is a mirror like this. Okay. And here is your object somewhere. Here is right now, for example, an object. The distance of object is how much? D. And this is your mirror weight. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Length of the mirror is, say, for example, L. Okay. And this is your object. And this road from the object is at a distance of your D again. Is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now, if I draw the ray diagram for this one, see how I'm drawing it. You can carefully. ray of light from this mirror will incident on this one, and this will incident on this one.
Yes, sir.
Like this. This is your incident ray of your light. From here it will get reflect and it will go right now like this. This is the maximum region up to which I can draw.
Yes, sir. Sir, now I have a small doubt, sir. O is the object, means O is the bus, right, sir?
Yeah, no. Our bus is going somewhere here.
Okay,
This
okay.
is an object. Say, for example, some
object.
auditorium has been present. A
Okay,
bus
sir.
is right now going from here like this.
Okay, so the object according to the bus.
Yeah, so this bus is in right now here. Some passengers are sitting here and they are seeing, they want to see this object. But here right now completely some very big tall buildings are there. But
Yes.
there is a view region right now where the image of this one will form somewhere here right now. If I extend
Yes,
this one, so this will be the image formation, Gada.
Yes, sir.
So this distance will also be equal to D.
D.
And this will be equal to your image. That is nothing but of your eye. Isn't it? And
Yes,
this
sir.
one is your object. That means the bus within this region, anywhere, somewhere from here, it can see it. Up to this position, they can see the image of that. Say, I don't know the distance. I'm taking this one as, say, for example, X.
Yes, sir.
Now see, if you see carefully, we are getting two triangles in this one, beta. Now tell
Yes,
me, what
sir.
is the distance of this road from the image?
From the image, sir, it is 3D, sir.
Very good. It will become for me 3D. That means
Yes,
if you
sir.
see it very carefully, there are two triangles, beta. This is your X, and this one is, say, for example, image. This will be equal to here right now, and here is this one. So this distance from here to here, this one is how much? 3D. Avana?
Yes,
There
sir.
is one more triangle, beta. Mirror. There is a mirror right now. This is your length of the mirror. And this is your image. Image is common for both of them. And this one is right now like this. And this distance is how much from here to here? This will be equal to your D. From here to here, this distance is equals to D. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And this is similar triangles. Got it? Hello?
Sir, once your voice actually, it broke, sir. Once, can you repeat that, sir?
No, see, there are two similar triangles in this one, better. You see, this one bigger triangle like this, and this one smaller triangle, because I is common for both the triangles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, if I'm taking the bigger triangle, how do you write this one, beta? This side by this side, triangle X by your 3D will be equal to, for this one, L by your D.
Yes, sir.
This side, and this one and this one. So in this one, D and this D will get cancelled. So X is coming out for me how much better? X is equals to 3 times the length of the mirror. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It will be 3 times of the length of the mirror. That means field of view must be equal to how much for me? 3 times the length of the mirror. Then only we can see the image of that one very carefully. See how simple is that one. Question appearing to be very difficult. Still, there is a larger problem in that one. Diagram is also very critical. But
Yes,
we're just
sir.
using the similar concept triangle in this one, because I is common for bigger triangle and I is common for this, what do you call that one? Mirror. So I took this side by this side and this side by your this side, because these two sides are same. And these two sides will be the same one. This one and this one are similar for both of them. And this one
Yes,
and this one be the same. So right now X by 3D will be equal to L by D. So X will be equal to 3 times the length of the mirror. Is it clear?
sir. So the distance between the image formation and the viewer,
Yeah.
you have to check, and
Yeah. We need to
only
check
the
that.
image. Only
Yeah.
the image.
See here, from here to here, this is the field of view. This
Sir,
distance.
ఒక్కసారి solution మొత్తం ఒకసారి explain
Yeah.
చేస్తారా, sir?
Chudu. One larger triangle,
Yes, sir.
one smaller triangle. This side and this side, this side and this side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just equate the two triangles sides conditions. X
Yes,
by
sir.
3D must be equal to L by D. So X will be equal to your 3L.
X by 3D
This side,
equals to... Yes, sir.
this side by this side, or this side by this side. Anything is fine.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So one more problem I'll give you. I'll give you more number of problems. No problem. You'll get perfect in this one. This is critical one, but still it is very easy. Better. Like say
Okay,
for
sir.
example, see here, this is your mirror. Okay. And say for example, This is your mirror, and here there is some object O. So from this one, the ray diagram will be something like this, better. And from this one, this will be some ray diagram like this. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now the distance from here to here is, say for example, D. You know that whatever is the distance of object, image will also be formed at
Same
the same distance,
distance.
beta.
D.
So that thing is very for me. That is nothing but a few D. From this one, this ray will be reflected like this. And from this one, this ray will be reflected like this. If I extend this one, this is meeting somewhere here and this is meeting somewhere here. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now this total angle, whatever it is making, this angle is, say for example, theta. This total angle is right now equal to how much for me? Field of your wave. This is theta. This total angle. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. So this is D, this is D. And the length of the mirror is equals to, say for example, L. This is the length of the mirror. Exactly this one.
Okay, sir.
What we need to calculate is this field of your wave. Find the field of your wave. That is theta. Find FOV. That is theta is equals to how much? This theta.
Yes, sir.
Now see this one carefully again. We are having two similar triangles again right now in this one.
Top
So
and
you will
bottom,
take
yes.
one triangle right now in this one. See, if I take this triangle right now, if I take one similar triangle right now, see one triangle I'm taking like this. This side I know, and this side also I can get. So this is how much better for me? Half of the length of the mirror. So this
Yes,
will
sir.
become for me
L
how
by
much?
2.
L by 2.
Yes, sir.
This angle will become how much for me better?
Theta by 2.
Theta by 2. And this distance is equals to how much? D.
D. Yes, sir. L
So
remains.
tan theta is how much for me better? Tan theta by 2 will be equal to how much?
L by 2 by.
Yeah, L by 2 divided by D.
Yes, sir.
Then, so
Yes,
this
sir.
is your L by your 2D.
2D. Yes, sir.
So theta by 2 will become how much for me? Theta by 2 is equals to your tan inverse of your L by your 2D.
Yes, sir.
So theta will be equal to how much for me? 2 times of your tan inverse of your L by
L
your
by
2. So
Yes.
this is your field of your wave.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Sir, and ఒక్కసారి so అంటే the field of view, sir, we calculate differently. Means there is no
In the previous case,
particular
we were
formula.
asking about the x linear
Okay.
distance. Now here we are
X.
taking an angle theta,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Because this theta is also here angle, na? So
Yes,
we can
sir.
even calculate this here. If he's asking also theta, you can just do in the same way.
Yes, sir.
Because this distance is not for known for me, Gada. So I
Yes,
can't
sir.
take this
Yes,
one
sir.
as of here L by 2.
Yes, sir.
But here
Got
I
it,
can
sir.
take here. I can take
Yes,
here
sir.
right now. Isn't it? We'll be getting the same answer. for
Sir,
that.
so whenever we get to find theta, we can
Use this triangle
the
concept.
triangle.
And for the
Tan.
linear distance, you use the similar triangle concept.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Got it, sir.
So this question is based on deviation, beta. By what angle mirror should be rotated? Mirror should be rotated so that the reflected ray becomes vertical. Reflected ray becomes vertical. Okay, I'll give the
Yes,
question like this. So this is your mirror. This is your normal. This is the ray of light which is incident, and from here it is getting reflected. Clear, beta? This one is
Yes,
your
sir.
normal, and this angle is, say for example, 30 degrees. This angle is also your 30 degrees. This is your incident ray. This is your reflected ray, and this one is your mirror. Now read the question carefully. Now read the question carefully. What is asking is, by what angle mirror should be rotated? You know that if mirror is rotated by an angle theta, reflected ray will turn by an angle
2 theta.
how much? 2 theta. Now see,
Yes.
if I rotate this mirror in anti-clockwise direction, will this reflected ray will come to normal beta?
Yes, sir. It will. Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
It will come, sir.
So we need to rotate the mirror in which direction?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise direction. So if
Because
I
you have to make
rotate
it
the mirror now,
90 degrees.
this reflected ray should turn to how, if it is to come to normal means it should be rotated by how much? 30 degrees, kada?
Yes, sir. 30 degrees.
That means mirror should be rotated by
Mirror also by 30 degrees, sir.
how beta?
No, 1 minute, sir. Now.
If mirror is rotated by theta, reflected ray is turning by 2 theta.
2 theta. Okay,
If
15
theta
degrees.
is 30
sir.
degrees, that means theta
15
will be
degrees.
equal to how much? 30 by 2, that will be equal to 15 degrees.
15.
Na?
Mirror 15
Isn't it?
degrees it has to.
Yeah, mirror in 15 degrees in which direction?
Anti-clockwise
So,
direction.
if a mirror is rotated by 15 degrees in anti-clockwise direction, isn't it?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Can I even say that if mirror is rotated by some more angle, like say if mirror is rotated by, like say 105 degree in anti-clockwise direction, even in that case, will it become vertical or not? You see, if mirror is rotating by your 105 degrees means the reflected ray will rotate by how much angle beta?
If mirror in 105 ante 210 degrees.
So 210 degrees. So 210 degrees ante vertical avutunda?
No, sir.
Chudu mula sir.
Full
210 degrees. 210 degrees. Oh, sorry. 210 degrees. So mirror, if mirror is rotated by 105, reflected ray rotates by how much beta?
210.
210. In which direction? In anti-clockwise direction.
మొత్తం కిందికి వస్తుంది కదా సార్?
చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు చూడు రైట్ నౌ. Will it become vertical or not అంటున్నాడు కదా. So vertical అంటే he is not telling only positive vertical, negative vertical. It can be anything కదా.
Anything, yes sir.
So if this is 30, okay, 30. And if it is coming here right now, vertical right now, this one is how much beta? 180.
Yes sir.
This is how much for me? 180.
It is actually 180 minus ఇది 180 minus 30 plus 30 60 60
this one is
90 minus 30 ఇది కూడా 6 ఇది 60 so ఇది 180 minus 150 సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి అక్కడికి 30 60 ప్లస్ 60 120 సో సార్ ఈ పైన పార్ట్ లో అయితే 120 డిగ్రీస్ సార్ మళ్ళీ కిందికి వచ్చినాక 90 degrees it's turning means 210. Yes sir.
Possible kada?
Yes sir, possible sir.
Even in that case it is possible. If mirror is rotating by even 105 degrees, that is also possible.
Possible. Yes sir.
Clear? That
yes,
means
sir.
ray should be rotated by how much better? 210 degrees.
Yes sir, 210 degrees.
Ray is rotated by your 210 degrees also, it is coming to your vertical again.
Vertical, yes.
Ante kada?
Yes sir.
Because from here you are rotating kada.
Ante sir, yes sir.
This angle is already 60. This
yes,
angle
sir.
is how much right now? 330. Sorry, 30,
30,
sorry.
30, yes sir.
So
yes,
got it idea?
Yes
so
sir.
if your mirror is rotated by 15 degrees, then reflected ray will be rotated by how much better? 30 degrees. In
yes,
which direction? Sir. In anti-clockwise direction. This is also possible and this is also possible. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
So I hope you got rough idea how to do the problems related to the deviations and as well as of your similar triangle concept. That is nothing but of your field of your view.
Yes sir. Yes sir, got it sir.
Next time ఉంది కదా?
Yes sir, ఉంది sir. ఇంకా 20 minutes ఉంది sir.
How to calculate number of images? How to calculate your number of your images? I'll do it by your crisscross method first. Crisscross method. Okay. See here. If two mirrors are inclined at an angle theta beta, like this, if this is one mirror and this is also one mirror, okay, and object is being kept somewhere here, right? Somewhere here object is being kept.
Yes, sir.
With this one, it is making angle theta 1, and this one it is making angle of theta. Okay, this is the
Yes,
mirror
sir.
M1. This is the mirror M1, and this is your mirror M2. Now think better. Now think here right now. See, will this object, O will be the object for the mirror beta? M1. Two mirrors మధ్యలో ఉంది ఇది. Like
Yes,
mirror
sir.
maze మనం general
Maze. Yes, sir.
maze లో
Yes, sir.
చూస్తుంటాం కదా. So if you see this one, this object, this for the mirror M1, this is the object. So
Yes,
ఇది ఎంత
sir.
యాంగిల్ అయితే ఉందో దాని అంత యాంగిల్ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇంకో ఇమేజ్ పడుతుంది.
Image. Yes, sir.
And this object is also right now here. So for this mirror also we'll get one image right now here.
Yes, sir.
This is I1 dash. Now if you think again, once again, see here, this I1 dash will act as object for this one beta.
Yes, sir. Again, one more riff.
One more will. That means at the time this will be equal to one more. That is your I2. This
Yes,
I2,
sir.
this I1 will be again like that will be forming right now for me what? A circle.
Many
on this.
images. Yes, sir.
Many images will be formed. Avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
now in order to overcome that one very easily, so what I can do is I can make one crisscross method. So it will be easy to do the numericals related to that one. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this one as mirror M1 here. I'm taking here mirror of your M2 here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now with respect to this one, this is right now for me how much? Theta 1. And this one is right now, for example, theta. Okay.
Yes.
Now this total angle is say for example theta beta. Theta 1 plus theta 2.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now what you do is in the crisscross method, you just make a cross like this and you make a cross like this. Theta 1 and you draw here right now, you take here total angle between the two mirrors. Now here first image will be formed at your theta 1 plus of your theta. First image will be formed at what angle beta? Theta 1 plus of your theta.
Yes, sir.
Now second image here right now it will be formed at your theta 2 plus of your theta.
Yes.
Again will come like this. Again you make a crisscross like this. Here it will be the theta. Now here it will become how much beta? Theta 2 plus this will become how much for me? 2 theta.
Yes, sir.
Now this one theta 1 plus theta plus theta. That means here it will become for me theta 1 plus of your 2 theta.
Sir, once can you again explain, sir?
See here. Theta 1 plus theta. This one is the first image.
Okay, yes, sir.
Because of the mirror. This M2. Theta 2 plus theta.
Yes,
This
sir.
is theta 2 plus theta. Again you take the theta in middle. Third image will be equal to theta 2 plus theta plus theta.
Yes, sir. Theta 2 plus
that
2
will
theta.
be theta 2 plus 2 theta. Then theta 1 plus theta plus theta. This will be theta 1 plus 2 theta.
Yes, sir. Itla
You go
increase
on
avutundi
do
kada,
it.
sir? 3
You
theta,
go on
4
do it.
theta.
Yeah, you can go on do it till we reach 180 degrees.
Okay, sir.
Once we reach 180 degrees, stop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here also till we reach 180 degrees. You stop. Like say if it is 170, stop here. If I'm getting 160, stop here. If,
Yes,
if I add 160 plus something, if it is getting 190, 120, don't take it right now.
Okay, sir.
Now count the number of your images like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of
Okay.
images will be 6.
6, sir.
Like that.
Okay, sir.
And one more rule, but on one more rule. If last 3, if you're getting 360 degrees, if last 3 angles are coinciding, if
Means, sir, until last.
నేను చెప్తాను నేను ప్రాబ్లం లో కూడా చెప్తాను. If
Sir.
we add last 3 angles and if it comes 360 degrees, then do -1 from number of images we got. Like say here if it is this one and this one, say like say this one and this one, if I'm getting 360 degrees, got it?
Yes, sir.
Now what do you do? How many number of images were formed actually? 1, this one was 2, this one was 3, this one was 4, this one was 5, this one was 6. But
Yes,
if 3 angles are 180 degrees, what will do? 6 minus 1, that will be equal to 5.
Okay, sir. Until the sum of these 3 angles, 180.
Sum of these 3 angles, if it is coming 360 degrees, that means the
1.
final image is coinciding and ardham.
Okay, sir.
That is the reason we are doing minus.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Let me give you one example.
Yes, sir.
These are two mirrors which have been inclined like this. And here is your object. This is a mirror of your M1. This is your mirror of M. Okay. Now what
Yes,
will
sir.
so see? This is your mirror M1. This is your mirror M2. What is theta 1? 30.
Theta 1 is 30. Yes, sir.
Theta 2, 60.
For,
40, sorry, not 60.
yes, sir. 40.
40. Okay. Now next angle like this. This angle is how much? Total angle.
70.
30
sir.
plus 40. 70. Here it is 70.
Yes.
Got it? Now
Yes, sir.
70 plus 30 is how much?
100, sir.
This is your 100. 40 plus 70.
110, sir.
110. Then again crisscross like this. This will be your 70.
Yes, sir.
Now
Sorry.
100 plus 70.
170, sir.
170. This one
180, sir.
180. So what we need to do? Stop.
Okay, here. Some
180, na? We are reached
Yes, sir.
180. Now is the three angles coming out for me? 180, 360. This one, and this one. Anyone? 100, 200,
yes, sir.
260, 300 అవుతుందా? ఈ 3 angles 360 అవుతుందా?
లేదు, sir. లేదు, sir.
లేదు అవ్వడం లేదు కదా. So number of images will be equal to how much?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Number of images will be equal to your how much? This is
Sir,
1,
ఇప్పుడు shall we
2,
consider the stopped image also, sir?
this is 4, this is 5.
అంతే. Yes, sir.
So number of images will be equal to your 5.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
అర్థమైందా ఇప్పుడు?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So that is the way how do we do the problems related to your crisscross method. I'll give you more number of numericals. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but right now just go through this basic concept so that you will define an idea how to do the problems related to this.
Yes.
Okay. We are also even having direct shortcut way.
Okay, sir.
Let's say for example, in the competitive examinations, whenever we are doing right now, I can even do like this. See, these are two mirrors which have been inclined. And here this is an angle theta. Okay, this is some object which has been kept here. Right? This is mirror, say for example M1. This is say for example mirror, say for example M2. Okay, these two plane mirrors are inclined at an angle theta beta. The number of images will be equal to how much? Now see here, if 360 divided by your theta is equals to your x, the number of images will be equal to the number of images. The number of your images will be number A. If x is even integer, if x is even integer, if x is an even integer, the number of images will be equal to your n is equals to x minus 1 for all positions of object. For all positions of object. Have you got it?
Yes.
If 360 by theta is your x and x is an even integer, the number of your images will be equal to how much beta? X minus of your 1. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
No. One more point, number B. If x is an odd integer, if x is an odd integer, if x is an odd integer, then number of images will be n is equals to your x. If object is not on the bisector of mirrors, not on the bisector of mirrors. What do you mean by that one, beta? Exactly center.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now n will be equal to your x minus 1. x minus 1. If x is an odd integer and if object is not on the bisector, then n will be equal to how much? Directly x. And
Okay,
n
sir.
is equal to x minus 1 if object is on the bisector of mirrors.
So the
On
bisector means
the
the
bisector of mirrors.
90 degrees, sir.
Like say if it is 90, exactly at center, 45 degrees.
45. Yeah, okay,
Got
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
If it is 30 and 60, it is not an integer. It is not an bisector.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So that is the way how do you calculate the number of your images part.
Sir, so ante whenever it is in even condition means అంటే 360 వస్తుంది మనకు కదా సార్
Enana?
అంటే like if we get 360 also we have to do, right, sir?
Yeah, we can
అంటే
even do like that for this. No problem.
yes, sir. Aha,
Isn't it? This
yes,
is
sir.
our
If we get the
conditions. Clear?
yes, sir. Clear, sir.
So this is the one of the way particulation. Okay. Now
Yes,
I'll
sir.
write one more condition also. You see. See, if 360 by theta is equals to some x anukundi, and x is a fraction. X is a fraction ochindi, isn't it? Then the number of images, will be equal to its integral part. Will be equal to its integral part. What do you mean by that one? If 360 by theta is x beta and x is a fraction,
Yes, sir.
x is a fraction, the number of images is equal to what beta? Integral part. What do you mean by that one?
So fraction when the number of
Fraction lo vachinappudu you either do it by the Crispus method or directly you can take the integral part of that.
okay, sir.
Integral part means what? Fraction ante. Like if it is 1 by 2, what
Yes,
is the
sir.
integral part of that one?
I didn't get that, sir.
Integral part beta. If you are getting fraction means what? 3 by 4, 8 by
Yes,
9,
sir.
10 by 12. Then whatever is in the 10 by 12 means 12 is an integral part.
Okay, like that. Yes, sir.
1 by 4, 4 is an
4
integral
is the
part.
integral.
Like that. Okay, now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Got it? So that is the way how do we calculate the number of your images. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this one?
No, sir. Got it, sir.
Sure. So that was about your story related to the introduction of your this. Recording is there happening then? No?
Yes, sir. It's happening, sir. సార్ ఇంకొక కాన్కేవ్ అవి చేయాలి కదా సార్ మనం కర్వ్స్ సర్ఫేసెస్ చేస్తే ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ అయిపోతుంది.
that will be more better for us.
Yes,
Spherical surfaces 7 చేసుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది.
yes, sir.
Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Then okay chalo then. Take care beta. Bye.
Sir, actually tomorrow my exam is from 8:30 to 11:30, sir.
Okay.
So అంటే when will we do the curved surfaces, sir? ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ కి నేను చదివేసేయాలా సార్ లేకుంటే?
కట్ సర్ఫేసెస్ ఎప్పుడు ఉంది నీకు? మార్నింగ్ ఉందా?
కాదు సార్, ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జామ్ అవును సార్.